Can we create WhatsApp account without a phone number? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will discuss about if we can create a WhatsApp account without phone number or not. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're trying or if you're wondering to create a WhatsApp account without a phone number, but unfortunately you cannot do that because WhatsApp requires a valid phone number to verify your identity via SMS or call, and also it will create your unique WhatsApp account ID. So in that case, WhatsApp does not uses your username, but it will use your phone number as your ID, and it needs to verify you during the setup for the security reasons. So for that reason, you cannot create a WhatsApp account without phone number. But alternatively, what you can do is if you don't want to use your personal number, you can avoid using your real phone number. So for that, you can either go for the virtual phone number if you have it, and you could also use your Google Voice number if you live in US, or you could also go for the landline number. So under the landline number, you can use an option as call me feature or call me options for the verification, and once you're verified, you can create an account. But you cannot just create WhatsApp account without a phone number. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.